as I stand above the starboard bow and watch the ocean foam. As I view each new horizon, I grow further from my home. I'm sailing on a foreign ship that's bound for Montreal, but I'd give the world to make my destination Donegal. I would make my way from Malin to Bundoran through Rafal, or Port Salim down to Killybegs by Creeslock and Dunlow. I'd wander round Barnesmore Gap on everyone I'd call, and beyond the Blue Stag Mountains to the town of Donegal. Oh, Donegal, I miss you, and I'll never understand why I left you for those far-off lands against my heart's command. Whatever fortune comes my way, whatever may befall, I know I'll make my final destination Donegal. I know I'll make my final destination